that one is a bit tricky. We have the airlock, so basically all the doors are gonna open if you just put the hands like this. What happens? It doesn't always work, and sometimes they have to open with the door handle. So just to be on the safe side, we put the soap here. In case that one is not working, we have a proof that the door is alright. Floor under the UDAF is quite difficult to clean around here, so why not to put a contact plate there just to make sure the grade B conditions are maintained. For example, control panel, mobile phone, intercom, desk, areas where the operators are most likely to touch. So we are assessing those areas with those samples as well. They're handled as well here. Yeah. Any questions? No? Any other idea? For example, for this one, will you put any other sample? Or you're happy with those?
What about the trolley?
We could actually, we could. The thing is that the trolley is not always here. It's sometimes here, sometimes here, sometimes they're taken out of the room and then going inside. So it's really difficult to put, for example, a setup plate here.
Contact.
Yeah, it could be a contact. Yeah. Yeah. Why not? Yeah. As I said before, yeah. If you have a good rationale behind the sample, why not? Yeah. Any other idea?
Are they all wearing gloves?
Yeah. This is the a grade B area. So the gowning conditions are really strict. You cannot have any skin exposed at all. So yes, they're wearing double glove.
I think the gloves be the proper glove hand.
Yes, yes. Any other question? No? Okay, so let's do the grade C round then.
We're kind of running out of time, so I'll just go over the grade C quickly. You saw how extensive the monitoring was for grade A and B area, because it's at the product is at its critical stage of the journey of its making. But grade C it's not as bad, it's less monitoring, and besides, this room is still closed process, so the product is not exposed to the surrounding environment. So for this room, we've got contact plate at the entry of the room, just because that's the high traffic room, because you have people going in and out, and you also got air sampler and particle monitoring happening here. So, and we do, in terms of passive air sampling, we do monitoring here, and also where the activity happens, so that's where the operators go up and do the main activities, so that's quite crucial. And for surface samples, we do contact plates because they're more reliable than swab samples. So we do contact plates at these different stages. So you do contact plate here, which is where the operators are mainly working, so they do their paperwork and sort out the chemicals, so that's quite critical to know if you picked up a contamination over there. And the control panel is quite important as well, because you have operators, so if they're wearing gloves and they're touching the control panel and they're going near the main activity, if you found something over here, they'll tell you if their hands were dirty or not. And same with this one, so the UF, which is an ultra filter, we do a contact plate on there as well. It will tell you that if the UF is being cleaned properly on a regular basis, so if you have any leakages or something and you have like product dripping and it would collect and then contamination would build up there, that would tell you, that contact plate would tell you if the room is cleaned effectively or not. So yeah, this is, for this room it's pretty simple. So have you guys got any other places that you thought we should monitor, apart from the ones listed over here?
Why have you got bin near your transport port?
I don't know if that transport port is actually still in use or not, but
That one is not.